So cold?
Cold.
Oh.
Good.
Okay.
Ooh, interesting. And eventually that will start to close up?
Yeah, and why we're packing is we want it to heal from the inside out.
Okay.
Because what happened before was that little pocket was there and it closed over the top.
Okay.
So it'll start. If it was an oval, it'll start working its way towards the hole.
Okay.
So
it's close enough again.
this way it'll we're not gonna pack it real tight,
Okay.
but just to keep the top from closing.
Okay.
Oh my god, I got a stab wound.
Huh?
I got a stab wound.
What you get for
You know
hanging
how long
out
the knife was, sir?
in rough places?
It was only like a little 2-inch knife. I don't think you're gonna die then, but
Yeah, it's about that deep.
Okay.
But about that long.
Okay.
Use this then to measure. So essentially I flushed it out with that saline.
Okay.
I'm not sure that you're gonna have to flush it with anything.
I'll loosen up the blood a little bit.
Yeah, it was pretty caught up in that. It was pretty, the gauze was pretty stuck.
Yeah.
So hopefully now that, I think it was still from the residual blood that was in there that made it dried over and stuck.
And the fresh incision.
Right.
I'm sure that started healing on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So hopefully, and maybe what you want to do is when you get these pain pills, do they knock you out quite a bit? No.
If they're the 5s, no, they don't.
Do you think you'd be okay, like taking them at home before we start doing this?
Yeah, she drive. I mean, I'm not
Okay.
driving yet.
As long as you can walk, okay, and you're not going to fall down or anything.
Yeah, I can walk.
Okay.
Well, you know, when I came in, I thought, I wonder how's that feel when I left. I said, if worst comes to worst, when we get over to the hospital, we grab a wheelchair and we take it all the way down to the. We had to park in the. We had to park on the hospital ramp because Parkside was full.
Oh, with all that construction
I'm like-
going on. Dang. That's ridiculous. Why are they redoing that? So you had to park over in
I mean, park almost all the way at the top on the far side
the
of the.
new building or in the house?
The hospital thing.
Oh, you're
Come through.
kidding.
You know, I had to park almost on the, about as far away from the elevators as you could get on level 7 because they are full, pretty full too.
So it doesn't take
Tried
take a
the
lot
patient
of
area.
that.
Tried the patient area and
Okay.
it's packed with vehicles and it's the park side. There's been a couple times where people pull into the parking thing and I'm like,
So yeah, it doesn't have to be poked. And tomorrow when we do it, we'll actually measure how long that piece is.
Okay.
I don't think it's much more than that.
Okay. And it doesn't go in all the way; it sticks out, and then you just
Stick
tape over it.
up,
Okay.
Because then that'll keep that top.
Okay.
Top from closing up.
Okay.
And then you just cover it with.
big thick pad.
Now he didn't really talk about showering.
No, he didn't.
Have you been showering?
Before I was. Now I haven't since this. I mean, there's a hole in my body.
Yeah.
I don't think I can. I mean, unless you get those big sheets of plastic there, like the tape there, where you know. But
Let me tell.
hospitals never seem to have that. I've gotten a hold of stuff where you can it's tape, plastic tape that you can wrap up like a whole section, and it's waterproof.
Oh.
They got these little teeny, they're like plastic covered Band-Aids. It's like First thing, as soon as the warm water hits them, they peel off.
I'm gonna find out. Sometimes it's okay to shower, not bath.
Mm-hmm.
Don't sit in water.
Water, yeah.
No.
But sometimes to let the water and soap run over is okay. But let me verify that, and I'll let you know tomorrow.
Okay.
I hesitated putting this on because I think tomorrow I'm going to use a smaller coverage so that you don't have to deal with all this tape.
Okay.
Since it's not draining, we don't have to
Okay.
Yeah,
ton on
obviously drained a little more last
It looks like
night.
it's less bumpy there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, there was a little bit that, mostly blood, I think, that came out.
Yeah.
Like he said, it doesn't look infected,
Okay.
so that was good.
Yeah.
I've never been in a movie before.
I don't know who that is.
Trying to avoid your face for the HIPAA rules.
Oh, I don't care about that. Maybe I'll get discovered. My nursing career will be replaced by.
New on Grey's Anatomy. Then they'll kick you off because you'll be like, that's not the way we do it.
Yeah, that's not exactly right.
I mean, I don't know what hospital you guys have any experience in, but